歡迎收聽正向廣播站。
Welcome to Positive Podcast. We are so happy to share some positive energy with you today. Here we have Sophie, Manaswi, and Renee.
今日嘅節目內容好豐富，唔好浪費時間啦，我哋即刻進入文橋大發現
Discovering ManQ.
嘿，哇！乜成地都係垃圾㗎？有紙巾，又有膠布包裝袋，哇！連蕉皮都有，我避得一嚿都避唔到第二嚿。
Our recess just finished. Look, there's so many rubbish around the school.
The caretakers must be very tired to collect all the rubbish.
係咯，咁樣工友會好辛苦，咁辛苦清潔完一輪，又係一地垃圾。How should we help?
Let's pick up all of the rubbish together.
我執，我又執。Sophie， 你都幫手執起嗰塊蕉皮啦。
I feel so tired.
Me too. I think all of the caretakers are also tired.
I think we should be grateful. We need to say thank you to them.
Prevention is also a good solution.
If we can keep the rubbish properly and throw it in the bin, our school will be so clean.
工友都唔使咁辛苦，成日幫我哋執手尾，我哋要減輕佢哋負擔。一於自己嘅垃圾自己清理，成地垃圾就冇定企。我要做個負責任嘅人。
要將垃圾抌入垃圾桶入面。如果我哋地下有垃圾，我哋都可以幫手執。
Yes, let's build up this good habit.
今日教邊科？今日教邊科嘅環節有中文科嘅分享。
That's right. We have a very interesting sharing about Cantonese culture today.
Renee， 聽講你都有份㗎喎。
嘿嘿嘿，我都好期待啊！除咗我之外，仲有6A 班金卓希同學都有份參與㗎，希望大家鍾意啦。
Please stay tuned and enjoy.
上咗全日堂，我個肚仔好餓啊！咁我哋去茶餐廳食個下午茶啦。好啊，行啦。唔該，我要一個臘腸煲仔飯啊！哇！乜嘢煲仔飯啊？煲邊個仔啊？乜嘢啊？煲即係砂鍋，因為個砂鍋細細個，所以叫做煲仔。原來係咁，冇你咁好氣。我要多一份薯仔炆雞翼，加一個靚仔行街啊！唔該。要一個靚仔行街？你想要邊個靚仔陪你行街啊？我咪靚仔咯。唔係啊，靚仔即係白飯咁解啊！冇你咁好氣。食飽啦，埋單走啦。咦？呢度開咗間小食店喎，係賣乜嘢㗎？佢哋有賣腸仔、格仔餅同埋雞蛋仔。雞生雞蛋？乜雞蛋仲會生雞蛋仔嘅咩？雞蛋仔係香港街頭特色小食嚟㗎，由雞蛋、砂糖、麵粉、淡奶等成分製成，不過就比較高糖分同埋熱氣啦。腸仔都比較高啦，食多對身體冇益，都係少食為妙啦。講咗咁多，你有聽過幾個包含仔字嘅食物名稱呢？
Renee， 你同金卓希同學嘅分享好精彩啊！原來廣東話裏面個仔字好常用嘅，好似有細路仔啦、兔仔啦、牙刷仔啦。
唔好再講啦，我個耳仔支持唔住啦。
咁不如嗰啲興奮啲嘅嘢啦，我哋就嚟放長假啦。
The Easter holidays are just around the corner. What are your plans?
我好忙㗎，每日除咗食就係瞓覺。
That doesn't sound very productive. We should really make the most of our free time.
咁又係，不如聽下其他老師同同學點樣運用佢哋嘅假期啦。
我叫余偉樂，我去咗佐敦谷公園，我去嗰度玩啲上滑梯，我好開心啊！我去咗扎士多啤梨啊，好開心啊！ My name is Michi. For the Christmas holiday, I went out. I went to Mont Park. We did some window shopping. I saw some toys, watches, and magnets. We also went to Jordan to eat some Chinese food. 我叫徐宇森。聖誕假期嗰陣時呢，我就同我表哥去咗大陸，因為呢，我公公婆婆住喺大陸，所以我去嗰度呢，同佢哋住4日咯。跟住呢，最後一日呢，我就係呢扎士多啤梨同埋番茄，我都去咗迪士尼咯，同我表哥同埋媽媽玩咗過山車。我一啲都唔驚，因為呢，我第一次玩，我就開始鍾意玩過山車。我叫葉麗芬，我聖誕假期去咗深圳玩，我同家人一齊玩波波池。
我係黃嘉蘭老師啊！我聖誕假期就好充實啊，因為呢，我好開心呢，我可以去台灣嗰度，去咗台灣第一間 Chiikawa Pop-up Store 嗰度買嘢啊！我買咗好多個 Usagi 嘅公仔啦，同埋喺台灣咧食咗好多好美味嘅食物喎，有火鍋啦，同埋有鬆餅，真係好開心！而家諗起都好想再去啊！
我係蔡老師，我聖誕假期嘅時候去咗迪士尼樂園，咁呢見到一個好高好大嘅聖誕樹，好靚添㗎。我玩咗飛越太空山啦 ，Space Mountain， 好刺激㗎，夜晚仲睇咗煙花添。希望大家呢喺假期裏邊呢都好好享受同埋放鬆自己。
我係 Miss 崔。喺聖誕假期嘅時候呢，其實我最多時候花時間照顧 BB。除咗照顧 BB 之外呢，其實仲有好多時間都係花喺整理屋企方面啦。因為一個乾淨又整齊嘅屋企，先至可以令到 BB 健康快樂咁成長㗎。執屋其實都有好大成功感㗎，所以呢，我都好希望大家都可以試下，會唔會執完屋都好似我一樣咁開心、咁有成功感。
復活節假期就嚟到啦，大家記住要好好充實自己。
Renee， 你記住唔好掛住食同埋瞓啊。You can spend time exercising, reading, or visiting different exhibitions.
Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can't be tamed. And we're turning the floor into a zoo.
最後送首歌俾大家，祝大家有個愉快嘅假期。
That's right. The exams are finally over, so it's time to leave the pressure behind and let your energy explode.
Sometimes